Hello everyone! Today I am here to provide you with the info on the current state of the real estate market update for the month of September 2023 for single family homes in Alameda County. Hi, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area serving buyers and sellers. Currently in Alameda County, we have 1.47 months supply of inventory. This means that if no new homes were listed, it would take just over a month to exhaust the existing inventory. Over the last 12 months, we have seen a decrease of 13.53% in the monthly supply of inventory, indicating a tightening market. Now let us talk about the list of sold price percentages. In Alameda County, homes are selling for an impressive 109% of their listing price. This indicates a strong demand for properties in this area and suggests that sellers are receiving favorable offers. Finally, let us discuss the median sold price. In Alameda County, the median sold price currently stands at 1.3 million. This represents the midpoint of all sold properties in the area and highlights the overall value of the real estate market in Alameda County. Thank you so much for joining, and I am here to guide you. If you have any questions or would like to personalize the advice, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Remember, the real estate market is ever changing and staying informed is key to making the confident decisions. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area. I do what I love, people love what I do. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.